Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine. So today we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter 3 a trip to Bhopal and page number 28 and 29. If you have not seen the previous video of this chapter, then you should go in description and follow the link. You can see here, this is the page number 28 of your book and the topic is to Bhimbetka. So let's start this video. After the buses are refilled. As you know, our bus stops in the petrol pump to fill. Now, after the buses are refilled, the journey starts again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. As you know, the buses are moving. All children talking about Bhimbetka. And one of them, Anjan, is saying, "What is Bhimbetka?" Miss Raina, it's a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by people 10,000 years ago. Here, Miss Raina tells Bhimbetka is a place where lots of caves and cave paintings that is about 10,000 years ago. And Sumanto, 10,000 years. After hearing this, Sumanto says that in wondering 10,000 years ago, I cannot even think of 1,000 years back. Here Sumanto says that I cannot think of 1,000 years back because Sumanto is unable to imagine this. And Gopi, oh, 1,000 years is a big thing. I cannot even think of 100 years. But Gopi says that you 1,000 years back, but I cannot think of 100 years. Now, Gauri, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Here, Gauri says, I can think 100 years because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. So I can able to think about it. And Manjit, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. Saying these words, great grandmothers old. Everybody burst into laughter. Ha ha ha. All children hearing Manjit's words, 100 great grandmothers old, all children start laughing. Ha ha ha. Because we cannot count the time in great grandmothers. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. After having knowledge about Bhimbetka, all children are really excited to see the caves of Bhimbetka. The time to reach in Bhimbetka about 11 o'clock. You can see here a painting of cave and cave paintings of Bhimbetka. The boy says that, wow, even 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings that too on rocks. After seeing these paintings, the boy says that, wow, 10,000 years ago, people made such lovely paintings that too lovely and rocks. And here you can see this girl says that, oh, these rocks are thousands of years old because these rocks are looking too old. And you can see here, this is the page number 29 of your book. And here Shankar says that this painting also has very big bisons. Here the meaning of bisons is jail. Hi, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. It means here Shankar wants to say that this painting is very big and I have an idea. You count deer and I count bisons. Now Bonamala, I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. And Bonamala want to count people. It means the idea is counting of bisons, counting of deer and counting of people. Here you can see on the pic they are counting peoples, deer, bygones. People, deer and bygones. You can see here this boy is counting bygones 34, 35, 36, 37. This girl counting deer 112, 113, 114, dot dot dot, finally 117 deer. A question given here. How many more deer are there than bygones? You can see here bygones are 37 and deer are 117. So how many more? So let's subtract it. Here 117 subtracted from 37. Then we get 0 and 8. It means 80. So the answer of the question is 80. But Bonamala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bygones together. But here Bonamala is very happy because her counting is very much. Her count is less than 200 and the question is how many people must Bonamala have counted. Now find out how much people counted by Bonamala. First of all, we know that Bonamala counting is the number of people. The number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. It means number of people is more than number of deer and bisons together. First of all, we find out the number of deer and bisons together. We know that number of deer 117 and bisons 37. So total of these you can see here 7, 7, 14, 4 and 1 carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 1. It means the total number of deer and bisons is 154. But number of people more than the number of deer and bisons together. It means the number of people more than this number and less than 200. Now you can see here 214 is more than 200. It means it is not. And 154 exactly equal to 154. But here says that number of people more than. It means it is not also. And 134 is less than this number. But he says that more than. It means it is not. And last number is 177. This is more than this number and less than 200. It means this is the correct answer. Now the answer of the question is 177. So how many people counted by Bonamala is 177. 177. And the guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. But according to the guider, the number of cave paintings is 600. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. Now this time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? Or you know that what time they decided to reach in Bhimbetka? I think the time is 11 o'clock. But you remember that they are spent about 1 hour in petrol pump. It means they are late 1 hour. And you can see here 1 hour late in petrol pump and 1 hour late in Bhimbetka. It means total time spent in the way is 2 hours. It means the time will be 11 plus 2. You can see on the watch. 11 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12, and again 1 is 1. So the time is 1 o'clock. So the answer of the question will be 1 o'clock. And you can see here they are now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour at about dash o'clock. Now you can less 1 hour in this time. So we will get 1 hour before this time. We will get 12 o'clock. So answer of the question is 12 o'clock. Finally, this video is completed. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.